I did this like last year in January, but I was hoping that the snowstorm would come a little bit sooner, and it didn't. All right, can you guys move over just a little bit, just right in the middle of the... Oh. I'll give you my phone number and everything so you guys can get these. There we go. Isn't that great?
It's so beautiful.
Hey.
Great job, man.
All right, that works. I feel like you knew immediately.
I was on to you.
Yeah, I mean, there was only so much I could do to surprise you.
That's awesome. I'm Ty.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
That was awesome.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you, Morgan.
Nice to meet you. Oh.
Take off the ring for a second.
Is there more or was that
No, that's what it is. That's what I had to do the other day. It was supposed to come from a place like that, and they messed up, and so the place that I was at picking me up on Friday night.
That's why
I had to take it to get me there.
All right. Oh, that's nice. We got the Christmas tree in the background. Isn't that lovely? All right. Perfect. You guys don't need any direction. That's awesome. All right. Can you guys just put your cheeks together and just look at the camera? That's awesome. Dang, that thing is... I have like these zebras that tell me when something's like super bright.
Yeah.
And it's like the windows, and then just your finger is just like shimmering. That's awesome. All right, here, I'm just gonna try.
Wow.
Yep, in my pocket. We want to get more in the middle of the street. Again.
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's really cool. Here, I'll show you the.
How does it look out there? You have a nice setup. What do you shoot? Is this
Yeah. So it's most.
Sony?
Yeah, Sony. So I have a Sony A6700, and then this is a A6000. But
Nice.
I didn't have time to switch lenses. So,
Yeah.
but
Oh, those are pretty.
perfect.
Maybe a little bit.
Yeah, here, let's put on the jackets and warm up for a little bit.
Yeah, keep yours on.
Yeah, I like the jacket. All right, here's something I want to do. Can you stick your hand out? I'm going to focus just on your hand, so hopefully your guys' face will be out of focus. All right, put it down a little bit, right there. Let's get a little bit of a floating here.
That's pretty.
Let me. You guys not getting too cold?
No, I'm good.
Okay, and yeah, and then give me that look towards the street that you were doing. That was really cool. Okay, yeah, right there. Reading my mind. First, just the hand, the ring one that you wanted. Now, do you want with the capital and the?
Yeah, if
Okay.
possible.
Okay.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's really good.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. Wait, can you do one just,
Without the-
or just back to where we're in it, to where we're like walking?
Yeah. All right, so just keep walking. Just keep going, look back. Yay. This will be a really cool
That's awesome.
story. Well, that's awesome.
Thank you
well,
so
I'm glad we
much.
did that. Yeah, absolutely.
Did an awesome job. I appreciate
Yeah,
it.
no, absolutely. And if there's anything else you guys need, let me know. I'll go home. I'll start editing. I'll try to send you a couple quick. I might like send you like a few photos, just being like, hey, do you like this style? Do you like that?
Okay.
Big question, and we can start walking so you can get into the heat.